either use it or give it to Daddy. Vincent, go up the stairs. Look, go up the stairs. Go ahead. Why is he so mad? This is the splash pad area on the Disney Dream. So this would be the area that your kiddos who aren't potty trained yet can utilize. I know this is like a big discussion in our group when we talk about cruises about the littler ones not being able to go into the pool. So in this area, with the swim diaper on, they're free to come in. I'm gonna try not to get squirt by someone as I walk through here.
No running, Grandpa.
Dominic, what were you doing? Getting in the water? Over there? Yelling at the top? Anthony slipped and hit his head. Now he has an ice pack. We don't run, right? You alright? Huh? Tell everybody where you are. You're on the Disney boat. And this is the splash pad area that your un-potty trained kids are able to utilize. Water slide, and then these things that squirt water. It's really cute. Hinvin, what are you doing? show you guys the pool area. So again, that was the splash pad area called Nemo's Reef. This is on the Disney Dream. This is the area that your kids can use if they aren't potty trained and they have on a swim diaper. And then out here is the main pool deck, and this is the swimming pool. So I know when we were talking about this, and I was saying how like it's not huge swimming pools. It's just really like an area for, you know, the kids to cool down. So having like a child under 3 who's not potty trained, who can't utilize this pool, isn't, in my mind, really isn't that big of a deal. Because I mean, all 3 of my boys, 2 of my 3 could go in there, and all 3 of them are in the splash pad area right now. And then they have this water slide here, this yellow one. And then these big tubes up here, this is the aqueduct water slide. So this one has a height requirement, and it's like a tube slide that you see, if you see the tube there, 2 people go down together. So kids can go with their parents. I have to double check what the height requirement is. So that one goes down and then through there and then back around here. Can't really see because it's so bright out here, so I hope this video is like actually showing what I'm talking about. This is our first time on the Disney cruise with our boys. Mike and I came together in April, just the 2 of us. And I was hesitant to bring Vincent at first because he was only 2 and not potty trained. And then once we actually came and saw everything, we were like, oh, we have to bring them back. Because I had envisioned like the pools to be these massive swimming pools. And you know, a lot of people are like, oh, don't go before they're 3 because they're gonna miss out. They can't go in the pools. But like, this is your pool. You know, it's not, and not to mention, I mean, today we're in Nassau in the Bahamas, so a lot of people get off the ship and go out to the beach, and tomorrow we'll be in Castaway Cay at Disney's private island, so we'll spend the day at the beach tomorrow, so we want to be utilizing the pool anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show everybody the pool and the splash pad area, because I know there's been posts about Disney Cruise Line, and that's been a popular topic, and I'll just walk you through here real quick again. Vincent's crying. Vinny! Vin, what's the matter? What's the matter?